All right, class, stay close. Look out below.
In your opinion, why did the worker fall?
Teacher, it's because he didn't follow the labor safety regulations.
That's very possible. Does anyone have a different idea?
Teacher, maybe he felt dizzy.
We can't rule out that possibility either. What about you, Vova? What do you think?
He fell because he cursed my mom!
What do you mean? When did he curse your mom? Ugh.
You little brat! Damn it, stop shaking the ladder!